Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the yen pair is kind of continuing to be pretty sideways, very corrective. Kind of makes me even more confident that this is actually probably just an ABC correction to the daily time frame downtrend, which means we're probably already in a wave C. Now we did bounce off the 50%, so if it does, go down and break structure, we definitely want to continue to look for shorts. But since it hasn't broken structure and since this move down is really not that impulsive, I think if you are a short time frame trader, I would recommend continuing to look for longs until we get that Fibonacci bounce, until we get that break of structure to the downside. Once we get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure, which we definitely don't have yet, that is what would turn me back into a seller, potentially for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrends. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.